Do you want your Subaru to make more power more efficiently while running cooler than ever? What's going on, everyone? It's Connor from here at Snow Performance, and this is the Stage 2.5 boost cooler for 2005 through 2014 Subaru WRX STIs. With this system, you'll be able to achieve an octane quality of 116 from your run-of-the-mill pump gas. That's an increase of 25 points. Coming complete with a custom billet aluminum water-methanol injection throttle body spacer plate, braided stainless line, and 4AN fittings, we offer unsurpassed reliability and ease of installation. This Stage 2 system uses a progressive VC50 controller that proportionally injects more or less water methanol according to boost pressure. Our VC50 controller is completely customizable, from the start and full points down to the 7-color OLED display that makes up the interface. We've done this to ensure that the engagement and delivery curve are able to match what the engine requires. This form of proportional injection gives an accurate delivery of water methanol and allows cooling and performance improvements over a wide range for improved drivability. The VC50 also offers the dual functionality of a boost gauge and water methanol controller all in one. Our industry-leading 300 PSI ultra-high output pump flows at more pressure than the competition and has a priming aspect that ensures the air in your lines is removed and replaced with water methanol. With this system, you'll be able to run more boost and more timing safer than ever. Not only are you going to be making more power and running a cooler engine than ever before, but you'll also get the benefits of a clean engine. That's right, Snow Performance water methanol systems help to rid your engine's combustion chamber of carbon buildup, extending the life of your Subaru. If you think this system is for you or still aren't sure after hearing everything that I've told you, visit us at www.snowperformance.net or give us a call at 1-888-GO-FAST-1 for more information or to browse our inventory of water methanol systems. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below what you'd like to see next. As always, thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.